So today in this video we are going to learn how to use the Power Query. So basically in this video we learn how to prepare the data for Power Query. Okay. So in this video we understand with the two scenario. So first scenario is here you can see on my screen, and this data we got the from third party, and if you notice the in single column all data. So how we can prepare for the Power Query? Power Query basically for the cleaning your raw data. So let's start the first scenario. So what we need to do here, we go the data tab and text to column, simple. Now the delimiter already select. Next, here the between the data you can see the commas, so already comma selected, and here you can see preview is data is sorted in columns. And next, and finish. So your data all are separate with column. Okay, so control plus A, alt H B A for border, alt H O I width column, and alt H O A we set the cell height. Okay, row height. So here you can see the all data now prepared for your practice. So here you can see the all data is here. Now you can do the Power Query. But before the two things we need to do, the first is the, if you notice the date format in not consist. So inconsistency is I can see, and we need to improve this. So how we can improve? So select this column. Here we go again the data tab and text to column, and next, and here you can select the from this. But before I just again remind you how you can check the date format is correct or not. So I just remind you equal each number function, each number function. Okay, and here the value, so simply select this value and hit enter. So it says true, but double click and here you can see the it says false. Here you can see, so that means is not date format. This is the text. Here you can see this one. Okay, so how we can the correct format? So for this again we select this text to column and delimiter. Next, here the select the date format date, and here we need to choose DMY, date month by. Okay, and you can see the preview if you want to see. So here just need to scroll. Okay, and finish, and you can see the all are true. That means each date format now correct. All dates are correct. Okay, now you can the delete. Now the what you need to do here, the for Power Query, just control plus A, control plus L या T convert into this table. Okay, so we are converted this data into a table, and now your data is ready for the Power Query. Okay, so you can use the, and how you can use, so again we go the data tab and get data. So now here the from the table range, where is the table range? This is, so simply select this table range, and it's take the seconds, and you will get the Power Query editor window. Okay, so all these are process you need to do the practice. So it's take the second. I just try to, before the work on the Power Query, I just try to show you the Power Query. I then take the time. Okay, so let's understand the another scenario. If you have the data in the notepad, see this data I have the notepad. So how we can work on this? So for this here we need to the just save the file. Okay, so I just save as file, and we can give the name of the this data is sales data. Okay, so just select. I think my system is slow. Okay, so here let's select the our any download file, and here I just give the name sales data 2025. Okay, so just if you want to the hype and 2025, and that's it. Now you can close, and how we can pick this, so I will show you. So basically, so we are the our power query editor. So see, this is the your power query editor. Okay, so the first scenario with we are come in the power query. I hope you understand what I did, so you can understand how we can the come, yeah, how to use to power query. Okay, so this is the power query window, and here you can see the four ribbon: home, transform, add column, and view. And the one by one, if you want to check, so you can the check the with the data. So at this time I just want to show you this interface about. Okay, so here you can see the first is the home tab, and you can see the close and load like the power pivot. Okay, here you can see the close and load, and choose column, remove column. If you want to the remove column, so you can remove. So all these things here. Okay, split column. If you want to the split, so you can like this. The order date, I just want to the date only, not timing, so you can split. So I show you just with example. So by this delimiter, and here you can see the column is split. Okay, so here you can see the automatically select here and press OK. So your column is split. So here you can see the order date is here, and these order date 1, order date 2, so are separated. Okay, so this is the date and month is this maybe. Okay, so with this way we can the split, but I just not want to this, so you can the remove from this. So you can see I remove and split the column, and you can see the we are back. So basically the we are split the into the day and month. Okay, so you can see. Alright, so with this way we can use the power query, and here all many things merge and append we can do, and transform is really important here. We can change the date format here, split here, extract data here. Okay, and unpivot column here you can see. Even we can choose the format here like the trim, clean, all these are here functions. Okay, so this is the transform, add column, and view. When we are work on, so you will understand better. So we are mostly work on the transform ribbon, and here the right side the property name. If you want to give the name the like the sales data, December 2025. Okay, so you can give the any name, and here the applied steps. So here you can see the all steps which here. Okay, so this is the power query window, and you can use the with this way. So first scenario we are complete. Now the I just close. Yeah, you can do the home and close and load. If you choose the close and load, directly you will you will the transfer these Excel data into the Excel. But if you want to the close and load to mean pivot, you can directly create the pivot table. But I don't want to, so just close and load, and you can see the all data will here. See. And here right side the queries connection. So about the related data, all are here. So Power Query we can the scan, we can the combine the multiple Excel sheets we can do. Okay, the previously video we understand. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the Power Query. So I think I need to close this, and let's understand the with the another scenario. So sheet, new sheet, I says open this new sheet. Okay, now the we have the notepad file. So how we can use? So again we go the data tab, and here the CSV file, text format file. So here you can see the text format file. So just we need to pick from the our download option. So here the download, and just select this import, and you will directly come into the Power Query. So how to use the Power Query before the how to handle the data. So you need to learn and understand. So here you can see the our notepad data, how we can the handle. So here you can see. So order ID, order date, customer, city, state, all are the separate successfully. Okay, so if you want to the edit, if you want to the change something, so you can use the transform data. Okay, so we will go the Power Query editor. If you don't want to do, so just load, and here you can see the load and load to. So same thing. So let's go the load to. I show you the load to what does. So I select the load to, and here you can see I just want to show you we can directly create the table, we can create the pivot table, pivot chart, so on so on. Okay, so suppose here I just want to the pivot table report, so you can directly create. So here you can see. So now if you want to the category, I just put it into the row, and unit price, quantity, yeah, you want to see the mm, more table we have or not. Okay, so customer name, order ID, order date, quantity, sales channel, and we can check the sales channel. Yeah, mm, unit price we can check. So here you can see the unit price. But if you want to the see the state wise, so state wise you can put in the filter and you can analyze. Okay, and if you want to see the product wise, so just put into the row and you can see. Okay, so with this way we can the practice, and we can do the uh, multiple analyze, data analyze. The you can create the chart, you can pivot, add the pivot table chart, slicer, timeline, whatever you can add, and you can create the interactive the your data. So that's about this video. I hope this video is helped. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in next video.